Imagine waking up to the cool breeze of Tagaytay with stunning views of Tagaytay Mountains, Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay, and even the Makati skyline. If that's the lifestyle you're looking for, then this is for you. Welcome to the construction update of Crescella Nuvali. This is me again, Steve Singson, your property expert and one of the senior sales managers from Ayala Lands Core Residential Business Group. I am currently here sa ating view deck. We just opened this view deck just last month lang, January. Ang nakagandahan po dito sa lahat ng mga buyers natin na gusto mag-viewing sa Crescella Nuvali, makikita nyo na po dito kung gaano kaganda ang views of Mount Makiling, Tagaytay Mountains, Laguna de Bay, and Makati skyline. We launched this subdivision on December 2024. Currently, we are at 23.40% of completion. Ang kagandahan kay Crescella Nuvali, you are located at the highest peak of Nuvali South, from 202 hanggang 225 meters above sea level. Kaya napapansin nyo po, kung naririnig nyo po ngayon, sobrang lakas po ng hangin dito. Ito yung everyday na ambience mo dito sa ating subdivision. Crescella Nuvali is surrounded by the top tier subdivisions inside Nuvali. Ano-ano po ba yun? First one is the Mundia of Alveo. Ready for occupancy na po nila yun. And yung kanilang pre-selling is Sereneo. Imagine, before ka magpunta kay Crescella Nuvali, itong mga high-end subdivisions ang malapit po sa atin. Bukod doon, napakalapit din po sa ating Ayala Land Premier Subdivision. Now, of course, you don't need to buy as much of these prices. Of course, kung kaya naman natin, why not, But kung very practical tayo, meron lang tayong budget for the house, for the lot only, Crescella Nuvali might be the best option for us. Within Avida brand, may mga categories po tayo ng subdivision. The entry level is village, the middle is settings, and the most high-end is estates, by which Crescella Nuvali is categorized. Imagine, Crescella Nuvali is only 13.5 hectares in size. The smallest subdivision inside Nuvali. Yung mga unang subdivisions namin kay Avida, nasa 21 hectares. Yung mas nauna pa, mga 40 hectares. Imagine, only 13.5 hectares and malaki yung mga lot sizes. Kaya konti lang kayong pagkakapitbahay po dito. For the amenities of this subdivision, we have an indoor clubhouse, naka-air condition po siya. We also have basketball court, kids play area, adult and kiddie pool, jogging path, and of course, meron din po tayong pet park, Yun yung isa sa mga bagong features ng ating subdivision. Sa park po na to, dito po gagawin yung ating entrance. Ang kagandahan dito, from doon sa dating video ko, na from Miriam College, diretso po tayo. Approximately, mga 1 minute lang, andyan na po tayo pagkatapos yung mga road networks po natin. For the generous amenities po natin, dito naman po siya gagawin. So imagine, sa maliit na subdivision, meron kang isang malaking amenities and open spaces, By the way, Crescella Nuvali has 54% residential and 46% open spaces. Based sa building code, at least 30% ng development ang open spaces. Mapupunta siya sa roads, sa parks, sa amenities. But of course, we are Ayala Land. That's a trademark of Ayala Land. Malaki ang pinibigay nating open spaces para ma-enjoy ito ng ating mga residents. Sa ating mga available lots po, very limited na lang po siya. Ang ating minimum lot cut is around 160 plus square meters and ating biggest cut is approximately 200 square meters. If you want a bigger lot size, ang pwede niyo pong gawin, you can combine 2 lots, para mas malaki po yung ating lot area. For the product offerings po, we have 2 types. The first one is the house and lot package and the second one is the lot only. For the house and lot po, dalawang klase po yan. The first one is the Airwin. Airwin has 98 square meters of the floor area And the lot area is approximately 162 square meters. And for the Solea naman po, no, the floor area is approximately 114 square meters. And the lot area is around 172 square meters. For the lot only, you can build your own house as long as the design is modern, contemporary, and earth colors. Para nag-blend lang siya together with the nature. When it comes to the height restrictions naman po natin, no, same lang sa ating mga estate subdivision. From the highest tip of your lot hanggang sa tip ng roof is 9 meters. So pwede ka mag-half basement parking para mas ma-maximize mo yung height, and pwede ka pa talagang mag-third floor. And for you to appreciate more the beauty of this subdivision, Cruzella New Valley, I'll show you some drone shots of this property na para mapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano na pong update ng ating construction. We still have few lots left here in Cruzella New Valley, no? And kung gusto mo mag-inquire for your future property and for your retirement home in New Valley, kindly send me a message to my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. That is +6 3961 462 2138. You can also follow me sa aking Facebook page na para ma-update kayo sa construction of New Valley and sa mga developments in the South, which is The Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in the Valley.